Hey, guys. So this next section or these next couple of weeks, we're going to focus on predictions of using probability. And in order for us to do that, we need to be able to solve some proportional equations. And all it looks like is two fractions that are set up and that are equal to each other, right? And earlier in the year, we talked about proportional equations, proportional relationships, but let's quickly review how we can solve something like this so that you can practice it. And then when we get to the predictions, it'll feel a little bit more simple. Okay? So check this out. So I have 1/6 is equal to b over 30. Okay? So we got two fractions and they're equal to each other. So there's different ways of doing this, but I like to just go ahead and cross multiply. Okay? When we cross multiply, we're going to take our 30 and multiply it with 1. So it's going to be 30 times 1. Well, that equals 30. Okay? And when I do the same thing over here, 6 times b, well, 6 times b, well, that just equals 6b, right? 6 times b. Now I can set up my equation, and I can say 6b equals 30. Okay? Now the 6 and the b are multiplying, so we want to do the opposite. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we are going to divide both sides by whatever number's in front of our variable. So it's 6, so we're going to divide both sides by 6. Okay? And we're almost finished here. 6 divided by 6 is 1, so we get 1b equals 30 divided by 6. So remember, this looks like a fraction, but the line means division, right? So I can think of this as just being 30 divided by 6. Well, that equals 5. So then b is going to equal 5. Okay? I will make one more video where we look at a little bit more complicated proportional equations with decimals and fractions involved. Okay? So stay tuned for the next one. And as always, let me know if you have any questions or if you need anything from me. Okay? I'll see y'all around.